Today I'm cutting out a logo for my daughter's water bottle. So I've got it loaded into my Cricut Explorer. I've got the self-adhesive vinyl in the 6x6 size. We've chosen the design that we want. We've put the dial to vinyl setting and set it to cut. And looks like it's finished, so we're going to eject the mat. My daughter's now going to weed that design that we've just cut. I've trimmed off the excess so that we can use that on another project. And what she's done is she's used the weeding tool to just pick up that corner. She's very carefully peeling that back to reveal the design. The thing I love about Printcess and Puddin vinyls is that there's so many different designs that you can use. So there's pretty much a pattern for every single situation that you're going to want to create something for. So again, she's just picking up that corner, running that tool in underneath, and then peeling back. So my daughter is 11 years old, she'll be 12 in December, and she's been watching me do these kinds of projects for quite a few years now. So she's become pretty good at doing these herself. You can see her face, she's got her tongue sticking out because she's concentrating so hard. So this is self-adhesive vinyl, but all of the Printcess and Puddin vinyls are available in self-adhesive, HTV or iron-on, as well as the glitter in the in self-adhesive and iron-on, and we've also got a new holographic HTV, which is absolutely amazing. So you can see this design was cut on the Cricut Explorer on vinyl setting, and now it's ready for us to apply the transfer tape and put it on her water bottle. So here's our transfer tape. We're going to lay it over the top of the design. We're going to get the squeegee. I've also used and do like using a bog scraper from Super Cheap, which is $1.50. The one that my daughter's using here is the large one from Cricut, and it is yeah, it's really good. I do like it because it's got a large size. So she scraped the front. Now she's going to flip it over and do the same thing on the back to make sure we get a nice adhesion of that transfer. Okay. Now she's going to, don't worry about cutting off the edge. Okay, just peel it off. I'm going to peel off the backing, and you can see because we've scraped nice and firm on front and back, it's stuck to that transfer sheet really well. And because this bottle tapers at the top, we're going to position the design closer to the bottom. Make sure it's nice and straight. Alright, and then you're going to do one finger press up the center, and then you're going to work your way out from the center on both sides. We've still got it too high, do we? Alright, you can see because the bottle starts to taper here at the top and our design is probably a little bit too big, we get these bubbles. The only real option to fix that is to cut a little piece out with the scissors if we can't get that bubble out. So we're going to take off the transfer sheet now, start at the bottom where it's stuck down well, and very carefully lift it, making sure that it's stuck down properly. Now obviously we started with a nice clean and dry water bottle. You can see on the side here we've got some bubbling, so we'll have to work on that a little bit. Alright, so here's the water bottle, and I'm just going to press that down with my finger. I think these bits on the side are just like that because we didn't press it down properly to start with. So you can see there's a little bubble there. We'll just, with our scissors, give it a little snip. In hindsight, I probably should have made this design just a little bit smaller, so that we don't have that issue. But because this is for my daughter and it doesn't really matter, then there we go. So there we go, water bottle all done and finished. I'm ready to go to school tomorrow. Thanks for watching.